If you take a mouse to school. Written by Laura Numeroff, illustrated by Felicia Bond.
If you take a mouse to school. He will ask you for your lunchbox. When you give him your lunchbox, he will want a sandwich. And a snack for later. Then he will need a notebook and some pencils. He will probably want to share your backpack, too. When you get to school, he will put his things in your locker and take a look around. He might do a little math and spell a word or two. He will even try a science experiment. Then he will need to wash up. You will have to take him to the bathroom. Once he's nice and clean, he will be ready for his lunch. On the way to the lunchroom, he will say some building blocks. He will build a little mouse house and make some furniture out of clay. Then he will need some books for his bookshelf. He will start by writing one of his own, so he will need a lot of paper. He will probably use up all your pencils. When he's finished, he will want to read his book to you. Then he will want to take it home, so he will put it in your lunchbox and tuck it in a safe place. When the bell rings, he will run out to wait for the bus. While he is waiting, he will play a quick game of soccer. Then he will ask you to shoot a few baskets. And do a little skateboarding. When he stops to catch his breath, he will want to eat a snack. So he will ask you for your lunchbox. And chances are, if he asks you for your lunchbox, you will have to take him.